Allis Chalmers restoration team. My name is Chase Lucan.
My name is Luella Vogley.
I'm Gunnar Decker.
And my name is Eric Garofalo, and this is our 1954 Allis Chalmers WD45. The Allis Chalmers WD45 was gifted to the Ruby Valley FFA tractor restoration team from local ranchers John and Sue Funk. They'd used the tractor as a simple farm implement, doing things such as cutting hay and plowing fields. After buying new equipment, they realized that things could get done much more efficiently with new implements, so it sat in their yard for about 3 decades. They decided that they wanted to finally give it away to someone who would do it justice and restore it back to its former glory, giving it the retirement that it deserves.